Good afternoon, everyone. This is the start of a new era for me. I'm going back to planted aquariums. This is a 90-gallon, 3 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot. And as far as lighting goes, I decided to pull the plunge and go with Ecotech again. I had radions in my reef tank, and now I decided to go with the Radion XR15 Freshwater Pro. It was a hard decision. I wanted to maybe try T5s again like I did many years ago in California, and now I decided that I was definitely going to go back and just go to my roots of the Ecotech, just because I've had great success in the reef side. The light's wonderful. It's got real good color rendition, and I'm gonna try out just one light for now. As you can see, I have this amazing piece of wood in there, which I need to trim off a couple pieces and set it all up. But this is the beginning. I have all my substrate already, my canister filters, my CO2 tank. Here's the 10-pounder that I got. So this is stage one. I'm going to be doing a few more videos here to show the progress of the installation, the aquascape. So it'll be fun. So definitely stay tuned. So new 90-gallon nature aquarium, and of course this is all to remember Mr. Takashi Amano, which was my inspiration years ago and continues to be till this day, and is the inspiration of many worldwide. What he created and designed was truly art, and all we can do is just try to mimic that beauty and that peace that these aquariums really bring to a household. So anyways, everybody, thank you very much for checking out the start of my build, and shout out to Artistic Aquarium for providing the tank delivery and other products, and as well as Nature Aquarium of Tucson for providing the A.D.N.A products and materials that I'm using for this build. And of course to Aqua Design Amano for their production of the materials that Mr. Amano had originally started producing, and they continue to do it and better it and make it available still for us. All right, everyone, till next time.